AI champions. I'm Howard Wolpoff, your host. Again, this is brought to you by Teal the Agency. And today we have Nagesh Nama from XLM here in Jacksonville, Florida, to be part of our conversation. So Nagesh, welcome to the show.
Howard, thanks for having me.
Well, thank you for being here because you really do a lot of very different structured work with pharma, with medical, focusing on AI apps. How did you get started in this industry?
Goes back to almost 30 years. That's I went to UMass, and right out of school, I got recruited by a consulting company. So that's why my journey began. So since then, my career has taken me through my previous employer. Then I started my own companies. So pretty much stuck with pharma. So that's how it got started, Howard.
Very, very interesting. So, but pharma is a very regulated industry. So, how does your work with AI help them, and how do you maneuver around all the different technical issues with the industry itself?
One thing is, since like I mentioned, I have extensive experience myself, and I run two companies. Both my companies have a lot of experience working in the pharmaceutical, biotech, and medtech fields all over the world, not just the US. Australia, Western Europe, India, so and a few other countries. So we have a very good idea of how manufacturing is done, how regulations apply under different jurisdictions when it comes to technology. That's our complete focus. So since we already have the background and we are a software development house, so we have the AI background, we're kind of bringing this together. So we know how to make AI work in a regulated industry since that's background. So it's very difficult if you're not from this industry to come and make a new technology like AI work. It is very, very difficult. Since I already have the background, I'm making sure that, with my knowledge and with my employees, we are building it the right way so that, it can be deployed and still we will comply with all the regulations.
Well, it's good that it makes it a lot easier for you to participate and develop these products for pharmaceuticals. It really is. It's amazing how far AI has come. Obviously, it's been around for a while, but in some of the other industries that you're working with, what kind of apps are you doing to help make their processes a lot easier?
So we have built over 12 apps since our journey began about 24 months ago, where we completely pivoted to AI and we started building apps. So one is software testing or software validation. So our bots can write the requirements, write the test scripts, and execute them autonomously. And human in the loop is only for approving. Every step there is an approval process. They have to approve. So let's say it took 100 hours before through manual software testing. It takes about, let's say, 2 to 3 hours now from soup to nuts. So that's the scale we are talking about: 10x, 20x cost efficiencies, time efficiencies. Similarly, we have built apps for temperature mapping of medical facilities, predictive maintenance, failure analysis, failure predictions. So these are some of the areas we are working.
It's really incredible just to take something hundreds of hours to take it down to 3 hours. Really is a not just the savings in the time that people will be using to do all that testing, but just the efficiency there itself really endorses the work that you're doing and how you can help companies in many greater areas.
Agreed. I just want to add to that is it's just not cost and time efficiencies. The accuracy is much better. It's much more reliable, than a human doing software testing.
And that is really key component as well. Using these technologies to be as accurate as possible, in addition to the time and cost savings, and how it really affects people in the way that these efficiencies can really help get products to them, get pharmaceuticals to them, get these efficiencies in such a strong way that it's fantastic, the things that you're learning and finding on a daily basis.
Howard, you should understand that the software we test, right, has a direct impact on product quality, meaning the drug quality. So it is really highly regulated. So whatever we do has to meet the most stringent of regulations. FDA is the most stringent in the world. So we are making that happen, in an efficient way. This is, I'm telling you, in my experience, or in my 30 years of experience, it's very exciting. It is something that I have not seen. I don't think humanity has seen the transformation that's happening.
Well, we're very glad that you're having a major role in it here in our community here in Jacksonville, and really hope great success for you as time goes on.
Thank you, Howard.
And thank you all for joining us as well. It is really incredible what is happening within AI, within different technologies. For some, it makes life easier in the smallest ways, but for others, to change efficiencies, to improve them, to improve products, to make sure that things are really happening the way they need to efficiently is amazing, and is only going to get bigger and better as time goes on. So go out, have a great rest of today, and we will see you next time.
Thank you.